I'm just gonna go in and take out some toys. So, whoa, the first one out is a police car. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police car. It's got wheels and a light bar and siren at the top, and tinted windows and window bars over here for the bad guys. Whoa. That is very cool. And this is the front. And you've got, whoa, yeah, it lights up at the front too when you do that. It's got grills and headlights and the word police again with the logo. And more wheels here, the window bars again for the bad guys, tinted windows so nobody can see inside. Oh, and this is the back. So this is the tail lights. And it's got a number plate on it. So let's see. The back light doesn't light up, but the top and the front does. Really, really cool. And at the top here, you can see there's lots of services on the roof of the car, like ventilation, police radios, maybe even automatic license plate detectors. A license plate recognition devices. So very, very cool. Next up in this bag, we've got another police car. Wow. Police car, police says here. There's a line at the bottom that says dedicated to service. Very cool. Wheels. Oh, and it says emergency 911. Emergency 911 response. So in an emergency, if you are in America, call 911. Here in Australia, we say 000, 000. Whoa, this is the front of the car. It's got a security bar at the front. Headlights. So there is a light bar here at the top, a light bar or siren. This is blue and red. And another police word down here. And tinted windows, dark tinted windows again. And dark tinted windows at the side. So this is the back of the police car, and it says Dodge SRT. That's the model of the car. Very cool. This is a 2015 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Very cool and very fast. Whoa, what have we got here? Another police vehicle. This is a police four-wheel drive. It's got wheels, tow bar with a hook. So yeah, so this is the wheels. There it's got a window bars again for the bad guys so they can't escape, and tinted windows for privacy. Oh, this one's got window bars at the back as well for the bad guys, and tail lights. And over here is the same wheels, police logo, window bars, tinted windows for privacy. And this one at the front, it's got headlights, but it's also got a siren sirens, and this one's got a tow bar at the front, and it's got a string that you can pull out to get another car out of trouble or to catch bad guys. Wow, look what I found! Lucas! I found some really cool police cars. So next up we've got a fire truck. Whoa, this is a very cool fire truck. It's got wheels, hose, a ladder that can extend, and a control panel over here, and extra hoses, extra flexible hoses here. And then that is the front. Whoa, headlights, and it says fire, F-I-R-E, fire. And over here it's got more wheels, an extra ladder, a more control panel, and extra flexible hoses, a door here and a door here. Keep back 200 feet. Whoa, yeah, stay back 200 feet to all the other cars to warn them not to come too close. And this is tail light. These are tail lights, and they obviously have sirens, a light bar over top, and sirens. Very cool. Whoa, the next car we've got is Chase's police car. These are the wheels. This is his police logo over here. And 02. That's Chase's number, 02. And this is the front. It actually closes. That's the other side with the wheels, logo, and a police badge here. The police badge / logo, and another police badge over here, and 02. It's got a big wing at the back to help it go super fast. This is the back of the car. And this one actually folds into a smaller car. It folds into a smaller car. And then if you press a button here, whoa, it shoots out a disc. Very, very cool. That's actually Chase's car from Paw Patrol. Whoa, this is a police ambulance because it's blue. So it's police ambulance follows the police car to a scene just in case somebody got hurt. So those are the wheels. This is the ambulance logo. There is a storage compartment in here, and storage compartment in here, or for the fuel. I think this is for the fuel. Storage compartment in here, and wheels. If you turn that button on, a siren comes on. Whoa, this is the front with the headlights. The front of the ambulance with headlights. Another ambulance logo, and this is the side there with another storage compartment, some more windows. This is the front for the driver, and steps for the driver to go up because it is a very big and tall vehicle. And the back here, of course, for the patients, to go in with a stretcher. It's really, really roomy in here. There you can see the lights. It's really roomy in here. That's what the inside looks like. And and it's got ventilation at the top. Ventilation at the top for the patients and the paramedic that's inside, and another logo at the top. And of course, the light bar and siren at the top to ask everyone to move out of the way as they're going to the hospital. Whoa, this is another ambulance. Over here, it's another ambulance. This is the side. It's got wheels. And then that's the front. Well, look at that. Headlights at the front with the windshield and more wheels, and it says ambulance over here with the logo. And at the back, that is a pair of doors for the stretcher or the patient to go in with the paramedic, and it says ambulance at the back with the ambulance logo again, and same wheels on this side, and ventilation for the people inside, and a light bar or siren at the top. That's blue. This is white and orange over here. And let's see what else we have. Whoa, look at this. This is a firefighter motorbike. Whoa. This is a motorbike for firemen in case they need to get to a scene super quick. Wow. That's the exhaust over here. The wheels. The handlebars, the seats for someone to sit on. Oh, it says 911. It's got storage compartment at the back. Firefighter, it says. Oh, it's got headlights, the front. It's super, super bright to let everybody know we're coming to save you. And then at the side here, there's a sticker that says, there's a logo that says Rescue Fire Squad. It's got a fire extinguisher, and it's got a fire hydrant and ladder as its logo. And then more exhaust on this side and the word firefighter. And at the back here, it's got tail lights and a number plate that says number 911. This is a firefighter's motorbike. Let's see what else you got in here. Whoa. This is Chase's fire truck from Paw Patrol. It's got wheels, a fire logo, 03, that's Marshall's number, a control panel over here. It's got a ladder and hoses at the back. Hoses. It's red in color. And over here you can see there's a bone pattern on the ground. There's a bone pattern inside, which is very cool. And a steering wheel. Steering wheel over here for Marshall to steer the fire truck. And this is the front. It's very cool. It's got a grill design and headlights. And then over here, whoa, that's cake. There's a cake sticker on there for when Marshall gets hungry doing all the rescues that he does. More wheels, control panel, it's the number 03, hose, and ladder. Very good. Oh, and at the back, it's got tail lights and the number 03 again. Very nice. Whoa, this is a Duplo police car. This Duplo car comes with a siren that is detachable, and you can actually press it. Woohoo! It's very cool. And you can obviously take this off and put it on an ambulance or a fire truck. So that was really good. These are the wheels. It's black tire with a yellow hubcap. It's got headlights and a front grille that looks a bit like a smiley face. So it's a very friendly police car. And it's got a tow bar at the back that you can attach other Duplo cars to. So you can tow them away. You can help another car in need, or you can tow away bad guys. And this comes apart as well. So this comes apart and you can attach another car body to this to make any car you want. So it's very, very fun for little fingers. Highly recommend the Duplo car set. Woohoo! Whoa, this is another police car. This is another police car with a policeman in it. It's got wheels, 2 wheels, a door, a light bar at the top for the sirens. That's blue and red. Whoa, and at the back it's got a badge that says police and tail lights. And the other side you can see the wheels and door. This is actually a remote control police car, and it comes with a burglar car as well. The burglar car is black, but the police car is blue. So you can use the remote control and control this police car and make it chase bad guys. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Ooh. Whoa, this is another ambulance. Whoa, this is another ambulance. It's got a door and storage compartment. Ambulance logo. It says ambulance emergency unit. Another ambulance word. This is white, mostly white. Got lights down the side that flashes to tell everybody that it's coming. This is the front of the ambulance with the really big headlights. Another ambulance word at the top and windshield, and inside you can actually see the steering wheel. You can see a little steering wheel in there and the seats. And over here you can see it's a door with the word ambulance on it. And more wheels. Another door. 2 doors actually. And so you can see that there is a air grill at the bottom, ventilation at the bottom of the door because there's people in there, sometimes a lot of people, and they need airflow. And at the back here is a pair of ambulance doors for the stretcher. It needs to be a big pair of doors so it can fit a stretcher with a person on it, with a patient on it. More ambulance logo and tail lights. Whoa. Whoa, this is a mini ambulance that you can put in your pocket. Mini ambulance, it's got wheels, the word emergency here, and the ambulance logo over here. Whoa, it's got red tinted windows, which is very unique. The red tinted windows, headlights, and front bar and grille. And at the top there and from the side you can see it's got black wheels with a reddish cap. It's very cool. This ambulance, it says emergency. There's another ambulance logo and the wheels. And that's the back, a big door for a stretcher, to fit a stretcher. And then there is the top here, usually ventilation for airflow for all the patients in there. And a sunroof to get some sunlight in. Whoa, another fire truck in here. Whoa, this is another fire truck. It's red. It's a red fire truck and it's got the words fire rescue with storage panel in here, tinted dark windows, big doors for the fireman, a logo with a ladder and 2 axes at the side there. This is the front. It says fire rescue and it's got headlights, the front. And then over here, it says fire rescue as well. And a big ladder that extends. Big ladder that extends. And of course a siren at the top. And the back here, it's got tail lights. The last item in here is a little friendly dump truck. I'm a construction vehicle. Hello, and I've got wheels, siren, a light bar, and tail lights at the back. Tail lights. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.